Right, ladies and gents, currently I'm on the 1 hour time frame and we can see that gold is in a downtrend on the 1 hour. So let's mark our important levels right here. So that one is our first important level because gold is created a high there, come back, create a low, and there it created a higher low. I mean a lower high. So that's why that is an important level for us. So from that lower high, it came back, it broke this lower low and created another lower low. And then from this lower low, went back up, created a lower high right there. So, yeah, at this lower low, it was our support level. So there, it becomes our resistance level at that higher low, I mean lower high right there. So from there, we can see downtrend, the market create lower lows and lower highs. So for now, as we are still in the downtrend, we are expecting a lower low than this low. So let's mark this low. So because we are still in a downtrend, we expect the market to break below this low. So let's look over on our 15 minute to see what's happening here. So on our 15 minute, we can see gold has created a minor level of support there. There's gonna become a resistance right here. So there it was support, here is resistance right now. And down here there's created a level of support right there. So what are we waiting for now? What I'm currently waiting for is, let me just zoom out so you guys can see clearly. So what I'm currently waiting for right now, for gold to break below that minor level of support right there, to break below it, come back and retest it for confirmation, and then continue to the downside to break below those lows to continue with the downtrend. If that doesn't happen, then I'm waiting for gold to come back to those highs right here, our level of support right there. There's gonna become a resistance right there. If it breaks above it, I'm gonna expect a break above our trend line also, and then a retest, and then a continuation to show that the direction of the market is changing. So here, I'm gonna wait for gold to change the whole direction of the market if it breaks above our resistance right there, and if it breaks above our trend line also. So then I'm gonna anticipate a change. But right now, we see gold is between these two levels, our support right here and our resistance right here. And because gold is still in a downtrend, so from this resistance right there, I'm expecting gold to bounce from that resistance right there and continue to the upside, I mean to the downside, if it doesn't break it right there. So this is my plan for today. So let's wait and see what the market do, and always be patient, let the market come to you.